Do not move. You are under arrest. You are under arrest. Do not move.
Oh, you trying to take me no free?
Yes.
Okay, here. I'll take it.
Just follow. Go with them.
Skip scanning is a deliberate retail theft method. The suspect scans a low-value item while placing unscanned merchandise in their bag. Under Florida Statute 812.015, this constitutes retail theft from the moment of concealment. Exiting the store is not required. The officer waited until both suspects had passed the last point of sale before intervening. This is tactically and legally correct. It removes all ambiguity about intent and establishes concealment under Florida law.
Yes.
Like what?
You're ringing stuff up as Kool-Aid packets, and then you ring up a tank top for the shirt.
I'm going to hang on to your purse for you.
No, you're not going to touch my purse. And you can keep that.
Everyone is not cooperative. You're under arrest.
No,
you are under arrest.
She didn't walk out the door.
I didn't walk out that door.
Do not move. You are under arrest. You are under arrest. Do not move.
Oh,
You trying to take me no free?
Yes.
okay, here. I'll take it.
Just follow. Go with them. Go with them. I need you to come here. Place your hands behind your back.
I'm not going to jail.
I didn't say you're going to jail. I said you're under arrest.
No, that's.
Sir, you cannot
Do not
touch
make
me.
this. I can't. You are under arrest.
I did not go nowhere. I did not even go nowhere. What is wrong with you? Get your hands off of me. Okay, get your hands off of me.
Off her.
You're hurting me.
Get off of her.
You're hurting me.
Back up. You need to back up.
You need to back up because
She's
she didn't.
pregnant.
She didn't leave.
I didn't even go nowhere.
I'm not messing with
She didn't leave the door,
Okay.
so therefore you can't grab her.
Okay, can you let me go?
Let go.
No, I cannot.
Okay.
Yes, you
You're
can.
under arrest.
No,
For
she's
what?
not under arrest. She didn't leave out the
I didn't
door.
even go nowhere.
Watch out. Get off her.
Okay, can you just let me go?
The
No, I
fuck?
cannot.
Okay, I will do what you asked. This is my daughter. Can you stop, please?
I need her to leave me alone.
Stop. Okay, Hyra, stop.
No.
Hyra, stop. Okay, she's pregnant. Please let me go, and I will calm down. Stop. Why are you squeezing my arm? Get my phone and record this.
No, he
is
can't do
being
nothing.
recorded.
You didn't walk out the door.
Okay.
Get
What are
off
you doing? I'm not even doing nothing.
Get off of her. She
I'm not-
didn't go out the door, so it's
I'm not even
lost
doing
conviction.
nothing.
Let her go.
I'm not even
You
doing
have
nothing.
your
You're-
items, so you have to let her go.
She is pregnant.
Okay,
You
real
guys
simple.
are
You
not-
guys are under arrest.
No,
You're
you
not
guys
in
are
charge
not
for
under
theft.
arrest.
Put your hands in front of you.
No.
You're going to
Okay,
place your
okay.
handcuffs.
Okay, can you? Okay.
It's not up for
Stop
debate.
touching me.
Stop.
Get
It's
off.
not up for debate.
Bro, get the fuck. Get the fuck
Then
out.
stop resisting.
Get off of me, bro.
Stop resisting. Put your hands in
Move.
front of me.
Let me calm
I'm
Get
offering to
off of me.
handcuff you. Do not interfere with me.
Off of me.
Stop it.
Get off of me.
I'm trying to not hurt you. You are under arrest. You are not in charge of
under
this.
arrest. Move. Get the fuck off of me! Get off! Get off of me! Get the fuck! No, get off!
What?
Okay? No, I'm pregnant. Get off of me!
Well, you got to stop fighting, okay?
Okay, get off of me!
All right, stand up. Stand up for me. Put your hands on your back, okay? Put your hands on your back.
No!
Yeah.
Get off of me! I didn't do nothing! Get the fuck off of me!
Help them. You got her?
No, move! Get off of me! I didn't do nothing! Get the fuck off of me!
You're under arrest. Let's go.
Move! Get off of me! I didn't do nothing! Get the fuck off of me!
Don't touch me.
3. Yes.
You didn't have to do that.
And you ain't have to hit her.
You
because
was twice her age, man. You ain't have to do that.
Everything, and I recorded it. Black people don't got no
want to pull this leg in.
Yes, can I just want to make sure my daughter's all right.
Well, your daughter's out there. She's fine.
walking out.
Okay.
You would have just listened.
I mean, you shouldn't have did all that. She was pregnant.
Okay, she's still resisting.
No, she's not resisting. She was just saying,
Put your leg up.
oh my God.
Well, take it slow.
Got everything?
Should have.
Okay.
That's her card.
I think her receipt's in her bag.
You can leave. Like,
Yeah, 524. 456.
So I'm gonna take it.
No, we're playing around.
Thank you.
You're good.
Are you really arrested me?
Any type of question?
So like, go to
Do you understand your rights? You understand your rights? Yes, you are under arrest for theft. Okay? It doesn't matter if you haven't left the store. Once you pass the last point of sale,
I didn't pass nothing.
okay, well, they have enough to
State of
your
Ohio, once
arrest.
you conceal an item, it is theft, whether you are in the store or not.
Okay, but
All right, we're not having court out here. Just go.
Okay.
Yes, you are going to have a seat.
No.
My pastor, he want to know what's going on. He want me to ask what's going on, that's all.
They're under arrest for
Stealing, they didn't want to be detained for stealing, they resisted arrest.
They were stealing?
Yep.
Okay, let me let him, this is the pastor. I don't forget about it.
That's
He didn't
They were caught
ask
gang
me.
of stealing, they were
Okay.
approached by it, started the scene, didn't want to be placed under arrest for it, and that's where we're at now.
Okay, let me just let him know. Hey,
State, not
pastor.
local.
Pastor.
I might not have
Okay, hold on. What did you say? What?
They're placed under arrest. They were stealing, they didn't want to be detained for the theft, they resisted arrest, now they're both going to county jail. Correct. Correct. And Officer Ortega.
The county, right?
Yep, that's right. What's your name, young lady?
my name is Sahara. See my ID. I watched you look through the whole purse. There's nothing in there. I didn't steal nothing. You didn't see me walk out with nothing.
Okay. So you're under arrest right now. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can't be used against you in court. You have the right to an attorney. If you're not afford an attorney, the courts will appoint one to you. You have the right to stop answering questions anytime you talk to an attorney. You also have the right to stop answering questions at any time. You understand what your rights are? Okay.
Under Florida Statute 812.014, theft of merchandise valued between $100 and $750 is a first-degree misdemeanor. The confirmed total here, just over $500, falls squarely within that threshold. When a subject physically resists a lawful arrest, the charge escalates. Resisting without violence under Florida Statute 843.02 is a misdemeanor. Resisting with violence under Florida Statute 843.01 is a third-degree felony, carrying up to 5 years in prison. The mother's conduct crossed that line. Use of force during arrest is evaluated under Graham versus Connor. Reasonableness from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not with hindsight. The mother resisted physically for several minutes. Force applied was proportionate to active, sustained resistance. The daughter's pregnancy does not constitute a legal defense to resisting arrest. An officer conducting a lawful arrest may apply reasonable force even when a suspect claims a medical condition, provided that force remains proportionate and calibrated to the resistance offered. Miranda warnings were delivered correctly and completely to the daughter after she was placed under arrest. The mother's Miranda advisement is not captured on the available footage, a procedural gap that could affect admissibility of any statements she made. Before transport to county jail, the officer delivered a contraband advisement to both subjects on camera. Under Florida Statute 951.23, introducing any contraband into a detention facility is a third-degree felony regardless of quantity or type.
Never happens that way for us, unfortunately.
Is that good customer? Yes.
No idea. What'd you do to your hand?
I broke my hand. I don't have a cast on it anymore. That's all she paid.
It's alright. They're coming.
What's that?
They're coming here. She's pregnant. She's hurting. They're gonna go behind the building so that it's not out front.
Less going on.
I just don't want a bunch of. I don't need the crowd coming out there and cause harassment out there too. You know. So this is the stuff they get paid for.
Yeah.
I don't know if they're. I'm assuming they're gonna go to jail, but whatever. We'll just put them.
Completely up to you. I don't give a fuck if they don't get their money back.
I don't know if they're either.
No more problem.
I'll just take it. We'll give them an opportunity to call somebody to pick up their groceries if they want.
Okay.
Come on out, ma'am. You need some help?
Yeah.
All right. It's going to be a little easier if you can lean back a little bit and get that other leg out.
Okay.
There you go. All right.
know what?
Now we can scooch forward. Now you can press against the frame. There you go. Scoot yourself
Oh, I
forward.
can't. I honestly can't. Woo. Hold on. Oh, shoot.
All right. Let me do this.
Try to take me out
Yep.
like that?
You ready? Watch your head. Watch your head. Watch your head. Watch your head. There you go. Scoot, 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 scoot. There you go. There you go.
Can I tell you something?
What's up?
I would have, even though I was as mad as I would have never took care of that warrant
I believe it.
because I actually forgot about it. And you said,
If you don't get bond posted tonight, you'll see a judge in the morning.
you okay? Where's your purse?
It's up front with me. I'm going to get your purse and stuff now.
He said my phone is on the.
Yep. I'll get it all. Watch your foot, please. Hey, real quick, while I got both of you here, I want to say this now so I don't forget later, okay? Now, understand that what I'm about to say, I tell every person that I take to the county jail. It is not a personal thing. It is not an accusation. It is a statement, okay? If you have anything on you, any drugs, any paraphernalia, or any weapons, right now is your time to tell me. A lighter doesn't count as paraphernalia.
Oh.
Right? Including marijuana. If you got any,
Oh, no, I don't.
Right. I'm
got
not
you.
making a judgment. I'm making a statement, right? That
I think I got.
once we get to the county jail, it doesn't matter what it is, right? Your lighter is not irrelevant.
Okay, do you want to put my keys in my.
I'll check here in just a second.
Okay.
But if you have any, pipes, any papers, anything like that, any drugs, once we get in the county jail, it doesn't matter what it is, it becomes a felony 3 for conveyance. So right now, we can deal with it, on possibly like a lower misdemeanor level, depending on what it is. All right? But again, it's not a judgment, it's a statement that I make to every person I take to the county jail. So when we get in there, like, I had dope stuffed up in me. I didn't know. You did know because I gave you the opportunity. I have made the statement. Cruiser cameras recording, my body camera's recording, right? Okay. There's no denying that that people were given this warning.
Right.
Are you worried about something?
What's wrong?
Just about being in the back of the car?
Officer Ortega, B+. Correct timing of intervention, proportionate force, complete Miranda delivery to daughter, and professional contraband advisement on record. Deduction for late backup request in mother's Miranda, not captured on footage. Mother, D. Premeditated theft escalated by prolonged physical resistance, converting a misdemeanor into a felony resisting charge. An active pre-existing warrant further indicates a pattern of noncompliance. Daughter, D+. She feared with a lawful arrest and physically resisted her own. Pregnancy is a mitigating circumstance, not a legal defense. Credit for eventual compliance during transport. 2 lessons. First, in Florida, theft is complete at concealment, not at the exit. Passing the last point of sale with unscanned items is legally sufficient for arrest. Second, resisting a lawful arrest always makes the situation worse. A misdemeanor becomes a felony the moment force is used against an officer. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.